Where there is faith, there is love. Where there is love, there is peace. Where there is peace, there is God. And where there is God, there is no need. Christmas is not necessarily about things. It's about kindness, faith, and love. Good morning, respected Director Sir, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today, we gathered here to celebrate Christmas. I would like to say few words about Christmas in front of you. I'm so happy to be here this morning with all of you. Everyone waits for the arrival of this festival. Dear children, what is Christmas? Why do we celebrate this festival? Do you know? Christmas is celebrated every year on 25th of December. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Jesus Christ. This day is celebrated to pay honor to Jesus Christ. People believe that Jesus is the Son of God. He was one of the important prophets of God. Innocent people treated him as a Messiah. He taught people to follow the path of goodness and to believe in Almighty. तो जीसस क्राइस्ट ने हम सबको एक मैसेज दिया कि अच्छाई के रास्ते को फॉलो करो और एक परमेश्वर पर ही विश्वास करो. So let's come and know the story of Christmas. Once upon a time, in the land of Nazareth, there was a girl called Mary. One day, while she was working in the kitchen, an angel appeared to her and said, God has blessed you and choose you. Angel said, don't be afraid. God has been very kind to you. You will give birth a baby boy and will call him Jesus. Mary was very afraid, but she trusted God. तो एंजल मैरी को क्या मैसेज देती है? एंजल मैरी को बताती है कि गॉड ने उसे चूज किया है किस काम के लिए? कि वो जीसस को बर्थ देगी. बट मैरी बहुत डर जाती है. As days passed by, she was married to Joseph and traveled from Nazareth to Bethlehem on a little donkey. When they reached Bethlehem, they had trouble finding a house, but every house was full. At last, they found a place in the stable where animals were kept. That night, Mary gave birth to a baby boy. And he was kept in the stable. His name was Jesus. Then, in the hills of Bethlehem, shepherds noticed a special night. Suddenly, an angel appeared before them. तो उनके सामने कौन आया? Angel. They were surprised. An angel said, I have a good news for all of you. A king is born today here. तो एंजल ने शेफर्ड को क्या मैसेज दिया? कि इस रात एक ग्रेट किंग का बर्थ हुआ है. Bright stars were appeared in the sky. Some people noticed it and know that a great king was born. They were very happy. They followed to start Bethlehem to see a great king. Each of them brought many gifts for him. That's why people all over the world celebrate this day on a Christmas, on the birth of Jesus Christ.